It's back to school once again, and kids need complete nutrition to get them through their day. Let's see what moms have to say about their kids' breakfast habits.
Pag Coco Crunch ang almusal, ganadong kumain ang anak ko. Kaya naman lagi siyang alert and energetic sa eskwelahan.
Kapag maganang kumain ng almusal ang anak ko, napapansin kong mas okay ang performance niya sa school.
Studies show that kids who eat a good breakfast, like Nestle Coco Crunch, do better in school. It is made from wholesome wheat, so it is a natural source of energy and protein. It also contains 10 essential vitamins and minerals, making it a truly healthy breakfast for kids.
Ang sarap ng Coco Crunch. Pabibili ako sa mami ko ng Coco Crunch. Delicious!
So start each day right with Nestle Coco Crunch. Kids love it, moms trust it.